Hey guys, welcome back again. So today we're going to be opening up some exciting Nail Reserve LA PR. I cut the box, but I haven't been in here. I always cut it upside down. So let's just start pulling stuff out. This is MERCARI. It is a nice, cool toned, like grayish shade. This is lavender, which is, I'm so excited to use these. This is a cool toned medium lavender shade, and then I found this ice mint color on their site, and that is exactly what I have been looking for. My one bright color I chose was electric rose. So beautiful. Wait until you see the swatches. And then last but not least, this is Aphrodite's Lover, which is a beautiful, perfect nude shade, and this is a new shade from Nail Reserve LA. So we're just going to open them up, get a quick look, and do some swatches. And if you want to make a purchase, I do have a code with Nail Reserve LA, which gets you 50% off. It will be in my description box, but it is HayleyMarie. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and click down there, and I'll have a nice little link for you. So this is the new shade, Aphrodite's Lover. Look how beautiful this is. When I saw it on their site, they had it on a model with like really long nails, and it was matte top coat. Oh my god, it looked so beautiful. I'm definitely going to use that in my set today. Next up, we have MERCARI, which is the cool toned grayish shade. I don't know exactly what to call this, but it is so beautiful. Look at that. These colors swatched so beautiful, like they always do from Nail Reserve LA. Really, you only need one coat to get full coverage opaque color on your nail, which is absolutely crazy. They smell like bubblegum. They cure in only 30 seconds, guys, and that's one of the things that I absolutely love about them. It saves you 30 seconds. Like, who doesn't want to save 30 seconds, right? And they are vegan, cruelty-free, and they're free of tons of bad chemicals that other brands of gel do contain, which is very nice. And this is a US company, which is also very nice. So right here we have lavender, I believe. It's very pretty. These are very nice shades for fall. Very nice. And I don't know if anyone remembers, I had mentioned previously in one of my videos that I was looking for a mint shade in a full-size bottle, and I finally found it, and I am so thrilled. Thank you so much, Nail Reserve LA, for sending these over to me and continually working with me and my channel as we grow. I appreciate you so much. Look at the beauty of this green. I love greens. Every time that I work with them, I try to pick some different things. Like sometimes I'll do all glitters, but this time I was just really drawn to just full opacity colors, and I am so happy with these. I can't wait to do this nail set. I am super excited to share that with you guys. Let me know down below, do you shop with Nail Reserve? And if you do, what is your favorite color by them? Because I definitely want to try it. And here we have Electric Rose, the one bright shade, super bright shade that I picked. And look at that. The camera is picking it up beautifully. Oh my god, it is so gorgeous. Like, stop it right now. You know this color is screaming to me. So I'm kind of torn as to what type of nail set to do right now. I'm gonna have to do another video because I want to use the MERCARI and the lavender for like a fall set because they're perfect, but I think I'm gonna have to go with this Electric Rose and the mint and figure something out to do from there, because I just can't not. Like, I literally can't. So there we are. Here's some of the swatches. I was just finishing up curing the Aphrodite's Lover, which you'll see in 2 seconds. These are so pretty, such nice quality, and I again love the bottles because they're black, so light doesn't go through to them. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. And we're just gonna lay them out, and then we're gonna get started on the nail set, guys. Okay, so these are the nails that I'm going to use. I have y'all zoomed in right now. They're the same ones that I have on right now. They're just some long coffins. I have the box right here. They are from Temu or Shein. I don't really know. I'm going to try and find them for you. But they're really nice. I like them a lot. They're pre-buffed. They're good length, so I don't have to buff them. The only thing I did was snip off the very tip with my nail cutter with this thing. because they're kind of rounded, which the nails I mean, which is kind of strange to me. It's the only strange thing about these nails. So I just snipped off the very tip, not even the whole number, just I wanted to straighten out the edge. So that's where we are right now. And I have my little cowl nail stands already. Okay, so I'm taking Aphrodite's Lover for my base shade, which is their new shade that I'm super excited about. So I'm going to do one even coat and I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. And then we're going to move on using the mint shade and that bright pink, and we're going to do some blooming effect, and then we're going to put some charms on these babies. So I'm taking the Born Pretty base gel that I did a video about the other day. It's my absolute new favorite, and that's what I'm going to use as my blooming gel. And I'm going to take the pink and just do some random blooming effects, and I think they turn out really cute. I have no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just kind of going with it. I don't want them to all be the same. There's a piece of lint in there. That's what I'm doing. So yeah,